Good morning, my miracle friends. Yes, another day begins. Let's quietly prepare for the best day of our lives. Rubbing our hands together and placing them over our beautiful, precious, beating hearts. Let's give ourselves a little cheeky smile and feel the excitement of a new day bubbling up inside us. Close your eyes and for a moment turn your attention inwards. Speak when you are angry and you will make the best speech you will ever regret. Quote by Ambrose Bierce. Lesson 5 from A Course in Miracles. I am never upset for the reason I think. I am never upset for the reason I think. This idea, like the preceding one, can be used with any person, situation or event you think is causing you pain. Apply it specifically to whatever you believe is the cause of your upset, using the description of the feeling in whatever terms seem accurate to you. The upset may seem to be fear, worry, depression, anxiety, anger, hatred, jealousy, or any number of forms, all of which will be perceived as different. This is not true. However, until you learn that form does not matter, each form becomes a proper subject for the exercises for the day. Apply the same idea to each of them separately is the first step in ultimately recognizing they are all the same. When using the idea for today for a specific perceived cause of an upset in any form, use both the name of the form in which you see the upset and the cause which you ascribe to it. For example, I am not angry at so-and-so for the reason I think. I'm not afraid of blah 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 for the reason I think. So you put in your own words. But again, this should not be substituted for practical periods in which you first search your mind for sources of upset in which you believe and forms of upset which you think result. In these exercises, more than in the preceding ones, you may find it hard to be indiscriminate and to avoid giving greater weight to some subjects than to others. It might help to precede the exercise with the statement, there are no small upsets, they are all equally disturbing to my peace of mind. Then, examine your mind for whatever is distressing you, regardless of how much or how little you think it is doing so. You may also find yourself less willing to apply today's idea to some perceived sources of upset than others. If this occurs, think first of this. I cannot keep this form of upset and let the others go. For the purposes of these exercises, then, I will regard them all as the same. Then search your mind for no longer than a minute or two and try to identify a number of different forms of upset that are disturbing you, regardless of the relative importance you may give them. Apply the idea of today to each of them, using the name of both the source of the upset as you perceive it and of the feeling as you experience it. Further examples are, I am not worried about blah 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 for the reason I think. I am not depressed about blah 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 for the reason I think. 3 or 4 times during the day is enough. So today, notice if or when you get upset or mildly vexed about anything that's disturbing your peace. Once you note it, Then say this phrase a couple of times and see what happens. Yeah, see what happens. Let's switch on our light. Beloved Divine, within us and all around us, the perfect day already exists. Thank you for guiding us and everyone concerned to this. Love before us and love behind us. Love to the left of us and love to the right of us. Love above us and love below us. Love expressed through us. Love emanate from us, touching everyone and everything in the form and the formless. Where would love have us go today? What would love have us do today? What would love have us say or not say today? And to whom? Have an amazing day, my miracle friends.